Starstruck 1 Avenger, nag-aral at nag-direct. Dating sex bomb girl, isa ng registered nurse. Ang back-to-back na mga kwentong ito, straight from America.
This is like my most prized possession kasi I worked really hard for this degree and this is something I love doing.
Mula nang lisanin ang Pilipinas noong 2006, naging abala sa pag-aaral ang Starstruck 1 Avenger na si Christian Esteban sa Amerika.
Yung dad ko sabi niya, why don't you go back to film then, get your master's? And I said, sige. So I went there and yun, I got my master's degree, nag-graduate ko ng early December.
Dahil nakatapos ng Mass Communication sa University of Baguio si Christian, kumuha siya ng Master of Fine Arts with concentration in Filmmaking minor in Cinematography sa New York Film Academy. At natapos na ito sa loob ng 2 taon.
Ngayon, I'm working on 2 independent films. It's a sci-fi production. Tapos, I'm an intern currently sa NBC. I only worked probably 2 days, 3 days a week sa post-production and editing.
Matatanda ang naging bahagi ng unang artista reality search na Starstruck si Christian noong taong 2004, kung saan una ring nakilala sina Mark Heras at Jeneline Mercado. Naging bahagi rin siya ng mga programa ng Kapuso Network.
Felt sad, pero when I missed the Philippines the most nung nag-masters ako dito. Kasi when I'm around the film again, the cameras, the first thing I think of is, you know, Starstruck days, the lovely day, Fans Kita, if you guys remember that. Fans Kita, yeah. I have someone that I love. I'm very close to right now.
At sa kanyang muling pagbabalik-bayan sa Agosto,
Sana I want to teach. Maybe I could come back and teach and maybe direct. And my favorite most of all is Isa Calzado, always and will always be my favorite artista because she's such a good person in and out, and her acting is just hands down the best. The best.
Samantala, masayang ipinamalita rin ng dating sex bomb girl, Jackie Estevez, ang masayang pinagdadaanan sa Amerika mula nang tumira doon noong 2007. At dahil na-miss na ni Christian ang pag-host, siya na mismo ang nag-interview sa dating sex bomb girl.
Well, when I came here at first, I was like, I'm just for a vacation. I visited my dad and his family and everybody, and I tried to, nag-connect ako sa mga ibang pamilya ko din dito sa States. At naisip ko na gusto ko din mag-aral kasi. So, nag-aral ako ng nursing and I graduated. Ngayon, I'm actually a nurse. So,
oh, good.
Yeah.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Shake hands.
Thank you.
That's good. So you are a licensed LVN.
Yes, I passed my boards and right now, so I'm trying to do part-time jobs and all that stuff.
Ngayon, ano yung agenda mo?
Oh, all right. Right now, kasi since tapos na ako sa school, nag-work ako, and and wala lang, pasyal-pasyal lang with my family, gano'n.
Well, what's the difference yung life mo doon kesa dito?
Doon kasi pag artista ka, parang napakasaya na, parang nandun ka na sa taas eh. Pero when you're here in the States, parang you're gonna start from the bottom. Alam mo yun, parang you have to really, really work your way up.
You had a lot of crushes back then. May special someone na iwan ka dun?
Dati I was like a baby. I was more of like, I was like...
I'm just kidding. I'm just joking.
I was like a baby. So, sa lahat ng mga ka-artista ko, parang kuya-kuya ko, ganyan. If ever, wala naman ako masyadong naiwan na parang yung mga open relationships or whatever. Wala naman. So,
well, I'm sure na may special someone ka ngayon, di ba, dito?
Ba talagang ano, ha? Yeah, I'm actually seeing someone, yes. Okay. I have yung mga friends ko dito. Yeah, and meron din, Pinoy. Wag na kasi yung...
Sorry, joke lang. Okay. What is your message para sa mga sex bomb members, fellow members mo, yung mga fans?
Oh, okay. My message to them is sana hindi pa rin sila mawala sa yung communicating with each other. And sana pag uwi ko dyan, hopefully makabisita ulit ako sa inyo at pag-meet tayo, lumabas tayo somewhere. And sa mga fans ko, I hope na hindi pa rin kayo nagsastop sa pag-ano sa akin. I'm right here, I'm trying to start a new life and everything. Pero pagbalik ko dyan, for sure, I'm really gonna spend time with you guys.
The biggest question is, this is for the fans. So, do you still know how to dance?
Yes, I still can dance.
Okay, let me see.
No.
Joke lang.
Medyo mabigat nga lang. Kasi dito, stress ako, kaya kain ako ng kain.
Oh, you look good. You look pretty.
But, Yeah, I still do. I still know how to dance.
Oh, good, good.
Uh-huh.